he can click on this chapter 3 link and he'll be directed to this video production chapter on this particular web page. So these are called anchor links. They help the user go from one part to another part on your web page. So now in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create anchor links in WordPress. So what basically anchor links do is that they help you go from one place to another place on a web page just by clicking a link. So let me show you an example over here. So here's my definitive guide to starting a video blog or a vlog. Now I have divided this guide into 4 chapters: types of vlogs, how to start one, video production, and the promotion and publishing. Now if someone wants to read a particular part of this video, then he will have to scroll down until that chapter to really reach that part. But to make it easy for user experience, I have divided it into chapters. So now if anyone wants to see video production, then he can click on this chapter 3 link and he'll be directed to this video production chapter on this particular web page. So these are called anchor links. They help the user go from one part to another part on your web page. This is great for dividing long blog posts into paragraphs and into chapters. So now let's see how to do this thing in WordPress. Now I have one post ready over here. Now let's suppose that I want to redirect a user to this subheading when he clicks on this text link. So how do I create an anchor text so that when the user clicks on this lorem ipsum text, he is taken to this hi there second paragraph of this dummy post which I have created. So now to create that anchor link in WordPress, first we'll have to add some anchor to the point which we have to redirect the user to. So I want to redirect the user to this hi there heading over here. So what I'll do is first select this paragraph which you want to redirect the users to. In the advanced section, select the HTML anchor. Over here, you have to enter a word or two about this heading. So for example, this is a subheading, so I'll enter subheading 1. Now this should be without spaces. Now that I have added a HTML anchor to this page, I just need to link it from the above link which I have to create over here. So now we'll add the special anchor link so that when a user clicks on this lorem ipsum text over here, he gets redirected to this hi there subheading. So select the text on which you want to add the link. Now click on the link button over here. Now copy the link of your post in which you are adding this permalink. So I'll copy the link of my post. Now select the text, click on the link button, and now add the link to your post. Now to add the anchor text after the last word of your URL of this post, type in a hash and then the subheading anchor text which you gave over here. So for example, in this hi there subheading, I gave the anchor subheading 1. So in this text, I'll highlight it first. Now I'll click on the link button. I'll paste in the URL of my post. I'll add a hash and now enter the anchor which you created on that subheading. So I'll enter subheading 1 because that's the anchor which I added. Now click on the submit button over here. Now update your post. Now let's view our post in a new tab. So now our post has loaded. Now I'll scroll down to this lorem ipsum button over here. Now if I click this button, I automatically get redirected to this hi there subheading. Let me show it to you again. When you click on this link over here, you automatically come to this hi there subheading over here. So that was how you could create anchor links in WordPress. It's super easy to do. All you have to do is select, add the link to your post and then add the anchor at the end. But you should remember one thing. If you are adding anchor links before publishing your post, then always be decisive of which URL would you use for your post, because if you mess with the URLs of your post, then these anchors will not work. I hope that this tutorial helped you create anchor links easily in WordPress. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more WordPress, blogging and SEO tutorials. Thank you.